Hello everyone. In today's session, we will be discussing about sustainable supply chain, which can also be interchangeably used in academic world and called by the above names. These supply chains have very minute differences. As you can see that there are 4 terms written on the slide. Now we will discuss each term by definition. Before moving on to the above mentioned supply chain, let's understand the difference between traditional and sustainable supply chain. Traditional supply chains mainly focus on activities that generate profit, and they are not concerned about social and environmental impact. Moreover, when we are talking about sustainable supply chain management, it focuses on all the 3 aspects, that is people, planet and profit. They tend to minimize their impacts on their people and planet without compromising on profit. Green supply chain management is concerned with studying different aspects of supply chain and deriving methods to make each component of the supply chain more environmental friendly. In closed loop supply chains, similar to green supply chains, organizations focus on reducing environmental impacts by utilizing all the waste products generated during its different stages of supply chain, thereby closing the loop. That is, no waste is being thrown out of the system. In circular economy, the products are designed in such a way that their waste has maximum economic value and is being utilized during the other production processes of the same supply chain. Sustainable supply chain management has many drivers in the current business world, like changing customer demand, mounting energy cost, climate change, regulatory compliances, competitiveness, and mounting waste. There are many different ways to achieve sustainable or green supply chain. However, there are certain best practices which include understanding each aspect of the supply chain and identifying the environmental impact it is creating, designing, redesigning products and processes in such a way that minimum waste is being generated during the process. The waste which is generated has economic utility and can be reused, recycled, and can be incorporated in the production process. Organizations should follow this approach in order to become sustainable, as adopting this approach will help organizations to pinpointedly address the exact situation by identifying the issues, measuring the impacts, and creating solutions. Now let's take an example of green supply chain of Nestle Moga. Nestle's factory at Moga is in Punjab, which follows principles of green supply chain and has made its supply chain a closed loop. As you can see from the figure, Nestle's factory at Moga has worked towards closing the loop by utilizing all the byproducts in the milk production process back into the supply chain. They have asked the milk producers to rear cattle. The cattle waste is used in a biogas plant which is used to heat water. This water is used for various aspects in the production. Then the waste from biogas is used as compost to grow fodder that is fed to the cows. Now I would also like to take few other examples of some leading companies who have implemented closed loop supply chain successfully. For example, Coca-Cola European partners collaborated with recyclers, packaging manufacturers and other firms across the supply chain to cut cost and reuse the material. The world's largest independent Coca-Cola bottler partnered with labeling and packaging company Avery Danish, waste management company and plastic processor PET UK to recycle waste PET liners from its smart water bottles and make new items. Another example that I would like to take is of IKEA. So IKEA encouraged product returns by offering its consumers a discount on the new products. So they offered a discount up to 50% if they brought in their worn out furniture. The company took the returned products and either recycled or refurbished and resold them. The initiative started small, but the retailer has since expanded the operation. A sound production recovery system like this can reduce the time and resources an organization needs to spend during the procurement and production processes. Companies that effectively use recycled materials ultimately earn more. Thank you.